Good evening, friends. I hope you are safe and well. Last lectures we have discussed about the cooperative society spinal account. Now, same things we have to continue right now. Problem number 4. Following is the trial balance of Nagari Consumers Cooperative Society Limited as on 31st 3 2020. Trial balance, particulars, debit rupees, credit rupees. Share capital rupees 15,000, deposits from members 30,000, debt stock 7,000, printing and stationery 1,000, investment in DCC Bank 25,000, investment in share of Sadhana Consumer Society 12,000, loan from bank unsecured 31,000, loan from members 45,000, interest earned on members loan 15,000, purchases of fertilizers and machinery 1,20,000, sale of fertilizers and machinery 1,50,000, office rent 9,000, office salaries 8,000. Traveling expenses 1,500, carriage inward 1,300, freight 1,900, bank current account 45,600, bank interest 8,300, reserve fund 59,000, cash in hand 4,400, bank saving account 14,000, total of the both the side 3 lakhs. Adjustments: number 1, value of closing stock of fertilizers and machinery on 31st 3 2020 was rupees 20,000. Outstanding office rent of rupees 300. Provide depreciation at the rate 5% on debt stock. Create provision for bad and doubtful debts rupees 1,500. Provide for audit fees rupees 600. Contribute to education fund rupees 100. You are required to prepare trading profit and loss account for the year ending on 31st 3 2020 and balance sheet as on that date. Now, friends, these are similar type of sum which we studied in the problem number 2. Problem number 2 and this problem number 4 is similar. Now let us discuss the one by one the various kinds of effects related to the trial balance. It's a share capital. It will be show balanced liability side, deposit from members also come balanced liability side. Debt stock is a fixed asset. It will we will show balance sheet asset side. Printing and stationery profit and loss account debit. Investment in DCC bank, it's an investment. We have to show balance sheet asset side. Investment in share of Sadhana Consumer Society also show balance sheet asset side. Loan from bank unsecured, it's a loan liability. Loan from members, it is a asset side. We have to show under loans and advances. Interest earned on members loan, we have to put as a profit and loss account credit side. Purchases of the fertilizers and machinery, trading account debit side. Sale of fertilizers and machinery 1,50,000, it is trading account credit side. Office rent, office salaries, traveling expenses, carriage inward, these all items show profit and loss account debit side. Freight trading account credit side. Bank current account balance sheet asset side. Bank interest profit and loss account debit side. Reserve fund balance sheet liability side. Cash in hand balance sheet asset side. Saving bank balance sheet asset side. I hope you understood the trial balance items. Now let us discuss about the adjustments. Closing stock 20,000, we have to show uh, trial trading account credit side and balance sheet asset side. Outstanding office rent, we have to add it to the office rent and next effect balance sheet liability side. Provide depreciation at the rate 5% on debt stock. Debt stock, we have to find out the 5% depreciation on debt stock, and from this depreciation we have to deduct from debt stock 5% depreciation. And next effect we have to give to profit and loss account debit side, create provision for bad and doubtful debts, rupees 1500. It is one of the RDD, and that we have to show profit and loss account debit side. And the second effect we have to give, it is a provision for doubtful debts. We have to show balance sheet liability side. Audit fees, provide for audit fees 600, that it is outstanding. Balance sheet liability side and profit and loss account debit side. Contribute to education fund 100, that we have to show as a balance sheet liability side and profit and loss account debit side. So all effects are over. Now what you have to do, you have to prepare trading account, profit and loss account, and profit and loss appropriation account, and balance sheet. You have to prepare these all the accounts. You will get the gross profit, and amount will be 46,800. Then you will transfer this gross profit to the profit and loss account. You will get the net profit 28,540. And then after that, you have from this 28,450, 28,450, you have to find out reserve fund 25%. Then after that, your tally total of the balance sheet is 1,68,650. I hope you understood. You have to solve this particular sum. You can easily solve. If you have any doubt, you can put in our WhatsApp group also. Thank you.